Take it to the northwest because alleged insurance killer Segomotsi Setshwantsho is expected back in the Molopo Magistrates court this morning for the continuation of her bail application. Setshwantsho is facing a charge of murder, 2 counts of fraud and 1 of defeating the ends of justice. She was arrested last month on allegations that she murdered her relative in order to benefit from insurance claims. The 49-year-old is also a suspect in the murder of her husband and 2 children. During her last appearance, the court heard from the investigating officer, that's Sergeant Mabunda, that Setshwantsho had taken out more than 40 insurances or insurance policies on her relatives. The state says they'll oppose bail as she's facing a Schedule 6 offence and is also a flight risk. Let's get you a sense of what else we know. Bring in our reporter on the ground, Refiloe Seboko, who's just outside court today. And it seems, of course, Refiloe, the pieces of a puzzle are slowly coming together. One wonders, though, how far we are to finally getting some kind of definitive outcome about whether or not Setshwantsho did what she's accused of.
Well, the piece of the dots are really finally coming together as we, today, it will be the second time that Sergeant Mabunda will continue to testify and provide reasons as to why Agnes Segomotsi Setshwantsho should not be granted bail during the previous testimony that he was giving, indicating some of the details to say that this is a Schedule 6 case. The sensitivity, due to the sensitivity of it, Setshwantsho is facing rather a possible life sentence on the matter. But one of the reasons that he had indicated to say that why he shouldn't be granted bail is that she is rather a flight risk. Remember that Sergeant Setshwantsho Sergeant Mabunda, together with his team, they had been on the case for 2 months before Setshwantsho was arrested. But also Ayanda, family members also weighing into this to say that Setshwantsho should be denied bail. One of the in-laws indicating that they fear that Setshwantsho will run away, so has the potential of escaping, even getting out of the country. But they also fear that she might commit suicide because now she is aware of the trouble that she is faced with. Sergeant Mabunda was also indicating during that testimony that he was giving, presenting some of the details to say that because there is a potential of addition of other charges, that's why investigations are ongoing, but also he still continues with the process of trying to find other bodies exhumed. We remember that in this case in particular, Setshwantsho is facing that one of murder, which is of her niece, Bonolo Mudisaimang, who the report had initially indicated that she passed on. The cause of death, it is a natural death, but after her body was exhumed, it turned out that she was poisoned after eating the sandwich that it had been prepared by her aunt. So today we are expecting Sergeant Mabunda to continue giving the reasons as to why the accused should not be granted bail, but also the accused attorney is expected to cross-examine Sergeant Mabunda during today's sitting.
All right, Refiloe Seboko, thanks very much indeed for that reporting. Refiloe live to us there from outside Molopo Magistrates Court in the northwest.